my turn. So mine was I should make it like this. Still, keep it still. Glue.
I gotta get the bucket.
And we're gonna stick it right in the
We
middle.
need the bucket. Then we need the bucket.
Later on, Aiden, just sit and wait for your boat to dry.
Sit tight there, Aiden.
Right. Okay. So let's see if we're gonna be able to sit one here and one there.
How about you, Aiden's raft?
No!
Yes, we don't care, doesn't want me to touch it. So we can hold there. Alright,
Aiden,
I
sit
guess.
down near to Daddy.
So what's next? Can I use this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need some.
Aha, I have an idea.
What?
You put this on the boat.
So if I stick that here,
Yeah.
like that. Like this. Like this.
How to take it off?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna put it like that. I'm gonna put it like this. Let it dry for a while. While we're waiting for it to dry, we're gonna have to get. Oh, this color is cool. Red one.
No.
This is gonna be my sail.
Look at this.
What's that?
A stealing boat.
Hmm?
Stealing boat.
So I guess it's a little bit
Silly
big,
girl.
so we're gonna fold it into two. I'll make a smaller one, and I'm gonna just cut it in the middle like this. Okay, and then maybe we could use that here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be the idea. Get some more glue just to make it a little bit more sturdy. And I'm gonna put that here. So
Aiden, brush it up. Brush it up. Your hair. Come on. Like this, Aiden. Like this. Pull it up.
Mine is finished. Mine is finished. Mine is finished.
you're done?
Yeah.
He's better than me. It makes sense, you know. There's no need to use glue gun for that.
Whoa, it looks like a TIE fighter.
I know, right? But mine is not working because it didn't stick just very well. I guess I'm gonna have to improvise, right? Me to improvise is to cut a hole in the middle. for the glue for extra strength. Okay, so the idea of this is so that I could just put my sail just like that.
Oh, okay.
Now I got a
Look at
sail.
my color.
But for
Mine is
Aiden-
better.
What for Aiden? He
Look at
doesn't have
that.
Look at that. So
I gotta be red.
red too. How we gonna do his maybe?
all right, so our raft is done. It's ugly, but we had to.
It's really square. You didn't even make it like triangle, you know.
Well, we can cut it like a triangle. All right, since you mentioned it, then I'm gonna make it a triangle. My mom is still, how you call that? Demanding. So, like that.
Yeah.
Well, that looks better. Aiden, look at mine. So how are you gonna put that? Ah, how? How? Wow! You are smart than me again.
Very easy for
What
him,
is
right?
this? Oh my god.
I need hot glue.
Hot, oh, you see, now you're asking me for hot glue. Okay, we're gonna hot glue.
What is really way smart?
We gotta near the motors.
So I'm gonna stick it for you, okay? Just wait for it. Here. Okay, now I'm sure you're gonna ask me for water bottles, but I don't have any for you, okay? So maybe we're just gonna put it together, Aiden.
Yeah.
Your raft and my raft.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make one big boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
You be the red team. I gotta be the red team.
Red thing. You want another color for your sail? Which one you want?
I like orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
So much for you.
Like,
This one. This one.
yeah.
Look at that. Yes.
Ah.
Alright, so our raft is done. Now we're gonna have to find a way to actually stick this
Bottle?
bottle
Yeah, we have to put it.
into our raft. So what I'm planning to do is, do I still have sticks? So alright, so let's probably just do this.
You're the grumpy.
You're grumpy.
No, you're grumpy.
No, you're grumpy.
No, you're grumpy.
Oh, grumpy.
Ah.
Right. So what's gonna happen next is that we're just gonna stick it like that, right? And we're done. Aiden?
This looks like a man. Oh my god.
So just let's see. Blue, don't touch it. I told you.
It's hot, Aiden.
Hot. So line it properly.
Where is it?
See, why you're hitting me again? Why whenever I do something, whenever I do something nice,
Where are the other bottles? Mia?
you're always hitting me. Whenever I do something good and amazing, it's hitting me. Oh, now he's looking for bottles. Ah, give me the water. I'm gonna drink it. Give it to me. He wants his own bottle. Oh, don't touch this one. too big. Your sail?
Yeah, make it.
No!
Daddy will cut.
No, I don't want to be small.
At least a little bit smaller. Okay.
Fine. You like it like that? It's fine. Okay, guys. Our boats are finished. So this is Aiden's boat and this is my boat. Ha ha ha. And this is me on the boat. And this is Tire Head on the boat. So now we're just gonna have to like find a bucket and see if this thing floats.
Oh, that's so nice.
Alright guys, so we got here a bucket of water and we're gonna put the boat and see if it floats.
Yeah.
Do you want me to put mine first? Ah!
It's swimming.
Wow! Okay, so he put his boat first. And is it floating? Let me see again.
Yeah, it's floating.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes.
I got for my partner. Then
So put your soldier. Put the soldiers. Put the soldiers inside. Can we put the motorcycle inside?
No.
No. Oh.
No.
See? Alright, now my boat, my turn.
You have a partner in there.
Yes, they are partner. One is a diver and one is a captain.
One is
Alright, so
They
let's
look
see
like
my
the
boat. Boats.
you have a
Yes. Yes. My boat floats. Hopefully, you have liked our video, and I hope to see you in the next episodes of our channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And see you next time. Bye bye.